Here we are. Hawaii. Where is he? Oh, he crashed. Oh my God. I'll never go back to Honolulu again except just to jump in and jump off. This is Hawaii, you guys. Look, and there's surfer people. Surfer dude. There's a surfer dude. The waves are great. Just perfectly beautiful. Wearing all that city energy off of us. Get off that feet. Look at that. Water is just freaking amazing. Oh crap, anyway. Distant. Yep, surfer person. Kodak moment, dude. There he goes. Out to meet death. Perhaps either that or ecstasy. Thrill of his life, no matter what. I'm gonna go out in that boat. Let's see how it's a professional does it. There we go. He'll make his way out there in between the waves so he doesn't get smashed on the rocks. Here you go, boink. Jumps over and he's off.
Boy, he made that look easy.
Oh yeah. It's all in the timing, folks. All in the timing. Let's see what our surfer dude has to say in just a little bit here. Look at that. Oh my God. Riding the wave. Woo-hoo, onto the rocks. Boom. There's the sun. Don't get any better than this, folks. Trey's happy. See Trey? All happy Trey. Hi, Trey. He's happy. He's a tourist, and he's good.
This is my front yard.
This is where we live.
That's my backyard.
Over there.
My dog. I need a big backyard.
That's right. No neighbors building, messing up the scenery. What was that? Is that a seal? I just saw a seal.
I did.
Right in there. Something stuck its head up. I thought it was a person, and it's not a person. Gotta be a
right
seal.
there?
Right there at the rocks.
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Where is he? Come here, seal.
It looked like something, didn't it?
Come back. Where'd he go?
It's over there.
He moved out. No, come on. Come back. Don't do about it. There's not a bad view. There's a turtle right there.
There he is.
Maybe that's what we saw was a turtle.
Yeah, I just saw a trickle.
We're looking at him. I don't know if you can see it in the film, though. Oh, he's hiding again. He's under the water. There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Okay, I'm getting tired of filming here. I guess we need to hurry. Yep, there's two of them. They run in pairs, apparently. Sticking here. There goes a surfer. Woo! Short ride. There he is. Stick his head up. Busy looking. I'm forgetting my filming here. There it goes over there. on, surfers. We'll play this tonight when we're sleeping. Stuck his head up again. Now our surfers are happening. There they go. One of them is getting down, man. Look at him hopping on the wave. Boink, boink, boink. Faster, faster.
Now he's going right back this way.
Yeah. Oh, he's down. Swimming back, catch another one. Hope this thing has good sound. Watching the wave sound. There's just a slight breeze. Here comes the surfer. Riding them cowboy, yeehaw! Turtle keeps bobbing their head up there. Talking about you, man.
Ooh, that's a big wave.
Woohoo!
Trying to catch it. Oh,
You got it.
Good.
You got it, here we go. Coming up, coming
I
up.
think that was a matter of survival more than anything.
Catch it in self-defense. There goes one. There goes one.
Way out there.
Yeah. We got him on film.
That's a nice curve.
Sweet. Alright, I'm tired of holding this thing.